In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scale your affiliate marketing business with KMA.biz. And basically, KMA.biz is an affiliate platform that focuses mainly on neutral offers, which means once you sign up to this platform, you're going to have access to over 1,500 health offers that you can promote to people in over 75 countries. And so you know they've been in the industry since 2013, and that is over a decade of experience and reputation in the industry, which has earned them several awards like Best Affiliate Program in 2023 by Kinza Awards, World Traffic Awards in 2022, and many more awards as you can see on your screen. So once you come over to the platform by clicking on the link in the description, you're going to be brought to this page. So once you come over here, you want to click on the sign up button to create an account. So once you do that, you will be brought to this page. You want to make sure to select sign up as a webmaster, and you want to enter your basic information right here. So once you enter your basic information like this, all you need to do from here is to click on next. So once you do that, they will send you a confirmation link to your email address to confirm you actually own that email. So once you click on the link to verify that you own the email, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. So once you're on your dashboard, the first thing you're going to see is leads for today. And this is where you are going to see the statistics of how many leads you've generated and how much you've earned in these currencies. So now the next thing you want to do is to click on the offers section, and you want to click on all offers. This is going to show you all the offers that are available on KMA.biz. So if you look at the top right here, you're going to see there are currently over 1,000 active offers available that you can promote right now. And don't worry, you can get access to more exclusive offers from Balkan, Arabian, and African countries. All you need to do to get access to these private offers is to contact your affiliate manager via Telegram or via email, as you can see right here, and you want to send them this promo code XBKMA. So once you do this, your affiliate manager is going to give you access to more offers in the Balkan, Arabian, and African countries that you can promote and earn more money. So once you do that, all you need to do is to scroll down, and you are going to see all the offers that are currently available that you can promote on this platform. All right, so now if I scroll down here, you can see this offer here, and now you're going to see how much you're going to earn when people convert on this offer, as you can see right here. Okay, so now before you promote this offer, all you need to do is to click on request access to get an affiliate link to promote this offer. So once you click on request access, this is going to ask you a couple of questions like the traffic source you intend to use to promote this offer, and you want to also select the geo that you intend to promote this offer to, which is United States. And also here you want to type in the amount of traffic you intend to bring to this offer every day. So once you enter all the details, all you need to do is to click on send, and you want to wait to get your affiliate link. However, if you want to promote an offer right away, all you need to do is to come over to this section, and you want to come over to geo. So once you come over to geo, you can target any country of your choice right here. You can see the top performing countries right here. So if I take United States here as an example, so once you do that, you want to come over to this section that says available, and you want to check this button. So once you toggle this button, all you need to do is to click on apply. So once you do that, as you can see, it's going to show you offers that you can promote right away without having to request access. So now before you promote any offer, you want to click on the offer. So once you click on that, this is going to show you the guidelines you need to keep in mind when promoting this offer, as you can see right here. And it's also going to show you the prohibited traffic sources that you don't want to use when promoting this offer. All right, another thing you want to look at is the traffic sources allowed to promote this offer, as you can see right here. Okay, so once you've gone through the guidelines and the traffic sources allowed for this offer, all you need to do is to go back, and you want to click on this section that says create a stream. So once you do that, you want to give the stream a name. So I'm just going to type in Bluestone 1. All right, so once you do that, you want to come over to this traffic source section. Like I said, you want to make sure to go back to the page and look at the traffic sources that this offer allows. As you can see, these are the allowed traffic sources right here. So now you want to scroll here, and you want to select the traffic sources that is allowed for this offer. Okay, so I'm going to take YouTube here as an example if I intend to use YouTube to promote this offer. All right, so once you select that, all you need to do is to scroll down right here, and you want to come to where it says landing. So if you come over to this section, this is going to show you the landing pages that has been provided to you that you can use to promote this offer. Okay, so now since we are targeting United States, then it only makes sense to promote using an English landing page. Okay, so now you want to make sure to select English. So if you select English, you can see they have already given you 3 landing pages that you can use for free to promote this offer. So all you need to do is to click on these landing pages to preview what the landing pages look like. All right, so as you can see right here, these are the 3 landing pages available that I can use to promote this offer. All right, so all I need to do is to select any of these landing pages that I feel is going to convert for me when promoting this offer. So I'm going to take this landing page here as an example. Okay, so you want to make sure to check that. So once you check that, so for this section that says additional data transfer, this means these are networks that are integrated with KMA.biz that you can use to promote this offer. So if I click on this teaser network, all I need to do is go down. As you can see right here, Taboola, you can see we have Outbrain, Propeller Ads. So these are networks that are already integrated with KMA.biz. So if you intend to use any of these traffic sources, then you can select them. However, since we are using YouTube as an example, we can just skip this, okay? For this section, if you know what you're doing, then you can play around with these settings. However, you can just leave it as default, and all you need to do is to click on Create Stream. So once you do that, as you can see, KMA.biz is going to give you a bunch of domain names that you can use to promote this offer. All right, you can select any of these domain that you want, and all you need to do once you select the domain is to basically copy your affiliate link. And also, if for some reason you don't want to use this domain provided by KMA.biz, all you need to do is to go back to your account and you want to go to the section that says stream and you want to click on my streams. All right, so once you click on that, you want to scroll down and you want to look for the stream you just created. As you can see, this is a stream we created right here, Bluestone 1. So once you do that, all you need to do is to click on this button to download your landing page. All right, so as you can see right here, the landing page has been downloaded to my device. All you need to do from here is to then go to Google and you can type in domain providers and you are going to see a lot of platforms that you can purchase domain from and you can host your landing page on this domain. And this is if you don't want to use the default link provided to you by KMA.biz. Once you start getting traffic on your link, you can come over to this section that says statistics and you can click on summary. All right, and this is where you want to come over to the stream you created and you want to click on this stream and you want to select this stream right here. Okay, this is the one we created. And you want to come over to the currency and you want to change it to USD. Since this offer is going to pay you in USD, and all you need to do is to click on apply. This is where you are going to see the breakdown and statistics of this offer. All right, so now the most important part is getting paid, and all you need to do to get paid is to come over to the payout section and you want to select this request payout. As you can see right here, these are a lot of payout methods that you can use to request payment. As you can see, you can request payment with Visa, MasterCard, with bank transfer, even with crypto, depending on your country. Okay, so now this tells you that you will definitely get paid as long as you bring valid leads. So all you just need to do from here is to set up your payment method and you will definitely get paid when you request payment. If you are encountering any problem or challenges, all you need to do is to contact your affiliate manager at the top right here, and they are definitely going to help you out with your problem. Okay, so once you have your affiliate link, at this point the next thing is to start driving traffic, and you can create creatives using canva.com if you know how to do it yourself, or you can definitely come over to fiverr.com, and if you come over here, you're going to see a lot of sellers that are going to create creatives that you can use to promote these offers. Okay, so this is going to depend on the traffic source you intend to use promoting this offer. And also make sure to join KMA.biz Telegram group where you can get latest news and updates on the affiliate network.